How to turn on or off battery saver on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here in battery, you can see the battery saver, and the battery saver is off. To turn on the battery saver, you'll have to do is tap this, and you can see the switch button on the right side here. On the right side of this use battery saver, okay, you'll have to do to turn on the battery saver is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. The screen is automatically into black and the battery saver is now on. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the battery saver. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off the battery saver on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone.